Welcome. Today we're diving into the world of Matplotlib, a powerful plotting library in Python that's essential for anyone working in data science. Whether you're analyzing trends, visualizing distributions, or presenting results, Matplotlib is your go-to tool for creating clear and informative charts. In this video, we'll explore how Matplotlib fits into the data science workflow, why it's so widely used, and what you can achieve with it. Let's set the stage for your journey into effective data visualization, starting with the basics and building up to more advanced techniques. Data science isn't just about crunching numbers, it's about communicating insights. Visualization bridges the gap between raw data and actionable understanding. With Matplotlib, you can transform complex datasets into visual stories that highlight patterns, outliers, and relationships. This makes it easier for both technical and non-technical audiences to grasp your findings. Throughout this video, we'll see how Matplotlib empowers you to make your data speak, turning numbers into narratives that drive decisions. Before we start plotting, let's make sure you have Matplotlib installed. If you're using Anaconda, Matplotlib is likely already included. Otherwise, you can install it easily with pip by running pip install matplotlib in your terminal or command prompt. Once installed, you're ready to import it into your Python scripts or notebooks. This simple setup step opens the door to a wide range of visualization possibilities, so let's get ready to plot. Matplotlib installed, the next step is importing it into your Python environment. The most common way is to import the pplot module as plt, using the line import matplotlib pplot as plt. This gives you access to a wide range of plotting functions and customization options. By following this convention, your code stays consistent and easy to read, especially when collaborating with others in the data science community. Plot is the heart of Matplotlib's interface. It provides a collection of functions that make it easy to create and customize plots. Think of pplot as a set of tools for building visualization step by step. Whether you want to plot a simple line or a complex multi-panel figure, pplot gives you the flexibility to design your charts exactly how you want them. In the next scenes, we'll see how to use pplot to bring your data to life. Let's jump in and create your very first plot with Matplotlib. Start by defining some data, maybe a simple list of numbers. Then use plt plot to draw a line chart. Finally, call plt show to display the plot window. This basic workflow, prepare data, plot, and show, is the foundation of all Matplotlib visualizations. Even with just a few lines of code, you can quickly see your data in action. Good plot needs a clear title. With Matplotlib, you can add a title using plt title. This helps viewers immediately understand what the chart represents. You can also customize the font size, color, and style to match your presentation needs. Titles are a small detail, but they make a big difference in how your visualizations are perceived. Axis labels are essential for interpreting your plots. Use plt x-label and plt y-label to add descriptive labels to the x and y axes. This ensures that anyone viewing your chart knows exactly what each axis represents. Clear labeling is especially important when sharing your work with others or presenting to a broader audience. When your plot contains multiple lines or data series, legends help distinguish them. Matplotlib makes it easy to add a legend with plt legend. You can specify labels for each line and the legend will automatically update. This feature is crucial for multi-series plots, making your visualizations more informative and user-friendly. Matplotlib lets you customize the appearance of your plots in many ways. You can change line styles, colors, and markers to make your charts more visually appealing or to highlight specific data. For example, use R for a red dashed line or bow for blue circles. These options help you tailor your visualizations to your audience and your message. Often you'll want to compare multiple datasets on the same plot. Matplotlib allows you to plot several lines by calling plt plot multiple times before plt show. Each line can have its own style and label, making it easy to compare trends or highlight differences. This feature is especially useful in data science for visualizing relationships between variables. Scatter plots are perfect for visualizing relationships between two variables. With plt scatter, you can plot individual data points revealing patterns, clusters, or outliers. Scatter plots are widely used in data science for exploratory data analysis, helping you spot correlations and trends that might not be obvious in raw data. Bar charts are ideal for comparing categories or groups. With plt bar, you can create vertical or horizontal bars to represent values. Bar charts are especially useful for summarizing categorical data, making them a staple in data science presentations and reports. You can customize colors, widths, and labels to make your bar chart stand out. Histograms are essential for understanding the distribution of numerical data. With plt hist, you can quickly see how your data is spread across different ranges or bins. Histograms help you identify skewness, modality, and outliers, providing valuable insights during exploratory data analysis. Adjust the number of bins to get a more detailed or broader view of your data's distribution. Pie charts are a classic way to show proportions within a whole. With plt pie, you can visualize how different categories contribute to a total. While pie charts are best for simple comparisons, they can be effective in presentations where you want to highlight the relative sizes of a few groups. Remember to use them sparingly for clarity. Box plots or box and whisker plots are powerful tools for summarizing the distribution of data. With plt box plot, you can visualize the median, quartiles, and potential outliers in your dataset. Box plots are especially useful for comparing distributions across different groups, making them a favorite in statistical analysis and data science projects. Once you've created a plot, you might want to save it for reports or presentations. Matplotlib makes this easy with plt savefig. you can specify the file format, resolution, and even transparency. Saving your plots ensures you can share your insights with others, include them in documents, or revisit them later. Sometimes you need your plots to fit specific dimensions. Matplotlib lets you adjust the figure size with PLT, fig size equals width, height. This is especially useful when preparing plots for publications or presentations, ensuring your visuals look great wherever they're displayed. You want to display several plots in a single figure, subplots are the answer. With PLT, subplot, you can arrange multiple charts in rows and columns, making it easy to compare different visualizations side by side. Subplots are invaluable for dashboards, reports, and exploratory analysis, giving you a comprehensive view of your data. For more complex figure layouts, Matplotlib offers Grid Spec. This tool lets you create flexible grid arrangements, giving you precise control over the size and position of each subplot. Grid Spec is perfect for advanced dashboards or when you need to combine different types of plots in a single figure. Ticks are the marks along your axes that indicate values. With Matplotlib, you can customize tick locations, labels, and formatting using PLT xticks and PLT iticks. This allows you to highlight important values, rotate labels for readability, or format numbers as needed. Custom ticks make your plots more informative and easier to interpret. Grid lines help viewers read values more accurately from your plots. With PLT Grid, you can add horizontal and vertical lines to your charts. You can also customize their style, color, and transparency. Grid lines are especially helpful in line and scatter plots, making it easier to compare data points visually. Sometimes you need to highlight specific points or add notes to your plots. Matplotlib lets you annotate charts with PLT Text and PLT Annotate. You can place text anywhere, draw arrows, or highlight key data points. Annotations are great for drawing attention to important findings or explaining trends directly on your visualizations. Color maps are essential for visualizing data intensity or categories. Matplotlib offers a wide range of built-in color maps, which you can apply to plots like scatter or heat maps. Choosing the right color map helps convey your message clearly and makes your charts more visually appealing. Always consider accessibility and clarity when selecting colors. Matplotlib includes several predefined styles that instantly change the look of your plots. By using PLT style use, you can switch between styles like ggplot, Seaborn, or Classic. Styles help you maintain consistency across multiple charts and can save time when preparing visualizations for different audiences or publications. Matplotlib supports interactive plots, especially when used in Jupyter notebooks. By enabling the %Matplotlib inline or %Matplotlib notebook magic commands, you can interact with your plots, zooming, panning, or updating data in real time. Interactive plots are invaluable for exploratory analysis, letting you dive deeper into your data with ease. Jupyter notebooks are a popular environment for data science, and Matplotlib integrates seamlessly. By using the %Matplotlib inline command, your plots appear directly in the notebook cells. This makes it easy to document your analysis, share results, and iterate quickly. Jupyter and Matplotlib together create a powerful workflow for data exploration and storytelling. Matplotlib allows you to export plots to a variety of formats, including PNG, PDF, SVG, and more. This flexibility ensures your visualizations look great in reports, presentations, or on the web. Simply specify the desired format in PLT, Savefig, and Matplotlib takes care of the rest. Exporting is key for sharing your work with different audiences. In working with large datasets, plotting can become slow or cluttered. Matplotlib offers options to optimize performance, such as plotting a sample of your data or using more efficient plotting functions. You can also adjust plot resolution and simplify visuals to maintain clarity. These strategies help you visualize big data without overwhelming your audience. Matplotlib works hand-in-hand with Pandas, another essential data science library. Pandas data frames have built-in plotting methods that use Matplotlib under the hood. This integration makes it easy to plot data directly from your data frames, streamlining your workflow and reducing the amount of code you need to write. Visualizing time series data is a common task in data science. Matplotlib makes it easy to plot dates and times on the x-axis, allowing you to track trends, seasonality, and anomalies over time. You can format date labels, highlight events, and even zoom in on specific periods for detailed analysis. Heat maps are powerful for visualizing matrix-like data such as correlation matrices or confusion matrices. With PLT ImShow or PLT pcolor, you can create colorful grids that reveal patterns and relationships. Heat maps are widely used in data science for feature analysis, model evaluation, and more. Error bars are essential for communicating uncertainty in your data. With PLT Error Bar, you can add vertical and horizontal error bars to your plots, making it clear how much variability or measurement error is present. This is especially important in scientific and statistical visualizations where transparency about data quality matters. Sometimes your data spans several orders of magnitude. Matplotlib lets you set logarithmic scales on your axes with PLT xscale log or PLT uscale log. Log scales are useful for visualizing exponential growth, power laws, or data with wide-ranging values, making patterns more apparent and comparisons easier. Matplotlib isn't limited to 2D plots. You can create 3D visualizations using the Mplot 3D toolkit. With just a few extra lines of code, you can plot surfaces, scatter plots, and wireframes in 3 dimensions. 3D plots are especially useful for exploring relationships in multidimensional data or presenting complex results. Matplotlib gives you full control over fonts in your plots. You can change font family, size, weight, and color for titles, labels, and annotations. Custom fonts help you match your organization's branding or improve readability, making your visualizations more professional and accessible. Sometimes you might want to add images like logos or icons to your plots. Matplotlib supports this with PLT, ImShow, for displaying images or by overlaying images on your charts. This feature is useful for branding, highlighting specific data points, or creating more engaging presentations. Matplotlib can create simple animations to show changes over time or illustrate processes. Using the animation module, you can animate lines, points, or even entire charts. Animations are great for presentations or for exploring how data evolves, making your visualizations more dynamic and informative. You can change the background color or add patterns to your plots for better contrast or visual appeal. Matplotlib lets you customize the figure and axes backgrounds, helping your charts stand out or fit specific design requirements. This is especially useful for presentations or when integrating plots into branded materials. Real-world datasets often contain missing values. Matplotlib can handle missing data gracefully, either by skipping those points or marking them clearly. You can also use different markers or colors to indicate missing values, ensuring your audience understands the completeness of your data. Beyond basic legends, Matplotlib lets you fully customize legend placement, size, and appearance. You can position legends inside or outside the plot, adjust the number of columns, and style the legend box. Custom legends help you create cleaner, more informative visualizations tailored to your audience. If you create many plots with a consistent look, consider using themes or templates. Matplotlib allows you to define custom styles or use existing ones, ensuring all your visualizations share the same fonts, colors, and layouts. This is especially helpful for reports, publications, or organizational branding. Matplotlib plays well with other Python libraries like NumPy, SciPy, and Seaborn. You can use NumPy arrays for data, SciPy for advanced analysis, and Seaborn for enhanced statistical plots, all while leveraging Matplotlib's flexibility. This interoperability makes Matplotlib a central part of the data science ecosystem. To make the most of Matplotlib, follow best practices, keep plots simple, use clear labels, choose appropriate chart types, and avoid clutter. Always consider your audience and the story you want to tell. Good visualizations are not just beautiful, they're effective at communicating insights and driving decisions. Congratulations, you've taken a comprehensive tour of Matplotlib in the context of data science. From basic plots to advanced customization, you now have the tools to visualize your data effectively. As you continue your data science journey, experiment with different plot types, styles, and integrations. The more you practice, the more powerful your visualizations will become. Happy plotting!